Suppose you're driving along, maybe singing your favorite song, when suddenly, bam! You've just been in a car accident. But there's one more twist to this already bad day: you don't have car insurance. What happens next? It's not pretty. But don't worry, we're here to break it all down for you. So stick around, and let's dive into what happens if you cause an accident without insurance in the United States. Why is car insurance important? First, let's talk about why car insurance exists in the first place. Car insurance isn't just a monthly expense, it's a financial safety net. It's designed to protect you from the sky-high costs of accidents. Without it, you're financially and legally exposed. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of what happens when you don't have that safety net. Driving without insurance, a risky gamble. Driving without insurance is like walking a tightrope without a safety harness. Sure, you might make it to the other side safely, but if you fall, the consequences can be life-changing. Let's explore exactly what those consequences are. At-fault accidents without insurance. If you're at fault in an accident and don't have insurance, here's what you might be looking at. Repair and replacement costs. You'll be financially responsible for fixing or replacing the other driver's car, as well as your own. And you already know car repairs aren't cheap. Medical expenses. If anyone gets injured, you could be on the hook for their medical bills. This could include hospital stays, surgeries, or even long-term rehabilitation. Legal trouble. If you can't pay for the damages, the other driver can sue you. Court fees, legal judgments, and even wage garnishments could follow. License suspension or revocation. Most states will suspend or even revoke your license for driving without insurance. And getting it back isn't as simple as saying, "Sorry, my bad." Fines and penalties. You'll likely face steep fines just for being caught without insurance. Add an accident to the mix, and the penalties can skyrocket. Not at-fault accidents without insurance. Okay, but what if you're not the one who caused the accident? Unfortunately, not having insurance can still come back to bite you. License suspension. Even if it's not your fault, many states require you to show proof of insurance after an accident. If you can't, your license could be suspended. Fines. You could still be fined for not having insurance, even if the accident wasn't your fault. Vehicle impounding. A police officer might decide to tow and impound your car. Talk about adding insult to injury. What about states where insurance isn't mandatory? Wait a minute, you might be thinking, aren't there some states where insurance isn't required? Good question. States like New Hampshire don't mandate car insurance, but they do have financial responsibility laws. That means if you cause an accident and can't cover the costs, you're still in serious trouble. Steps to take after an accident without insurance. Here's a step-by-step guide to handle an accident if you don't have insurance. Check for injuries. Safety first. Make sure everyone involved is okay and call for medical help if needed. Document everything. Documentation is key. Take photos of the scene, damage, and injuries. Get the other driver's contact and insurance information. File a police report. Even if it's minor, a police report can be crucial, especially if you end up in court. Seek legal advice. Consider consulting a lawyer, especially if you're at fault. They can help you understand your options and navigate potential lawsuits. How uninsured motorist coverage can help. Here's the thing, you can avoid a lot of headaches with uninsured motorist coverage. This optional add-on to your policy protects you if the other driver doesn't have insurance. It can cover medical expenses, vehicle repairs, and even hit-and-run incidents. How to find affordable car insurance. I get it, car insurance can feel expensive. But trust me, it's a fraction of what you'd pay out of pocket in an accident. If budget is an issue, here are some tips. Compare quotes. Shop around to find the best rates and coverage options. Don't settle for the first quote you get. Ask about discounts. Safe driver? Student? Bundling home and auto? Insurance companies offer discounts for a variety of reasons. So, don't forget to ask. Drive safely. Keeping a clean driving record can lower your rates. Some insurers even offer discounts for using telematics devices that track your safe driving habits. Consider Next Insurance. Next Insurance specializes in affordable coverage tailored to your needs. They're worth checking out if you're in the market for a new policy. Final thoughts. Driving without insurance is a gamble that rarely pays off. The financial, legal, and personal costs can be overwhelming. But the good news? Avoiding this nightmare is as simple as getting insured. Remember, car insurance isn't just a legal requirement, it's your safety net. So, take that step today and protect yourself, your car, and your future. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.